HCP Vault Radar now introduces a VSCode scanning plugin as a public beta. By integrating secret scanning directly into VSCode, Vault Radar makes secure coding practices seamless, proactive, and developer-friendly. To get started, all I have to do is add the VSCode plugin the same way I would add any new extension. I've already downloaded the package, which contains the plugin file and associated license, so I'll just grab the file to install it. Once the extension is installed, I can see all the helpful associated details and features that come with this plugin. When I click on the radar icon in the left pane, I see that I can configure a secure connection to my existing Vault cluster. This will enable me to index Vault so I can correlate any secrets found by the plugin to see if they're also stored in Vault but have been mishandled, and it enables me to copy secrets directly into Vault. To configure my connection, I'll give my cluster a name, enter the URL, provide my namespace, the secret mount in this namespace I want to target, and then select an authentication method to securely connect. And now I see my connection was successfully added, and I see details of that connection in the left pane. Next, I'm going to create a new Python file to check out my new plugin's scanning capabilities. So, I'm going to do something that's all too common and hardcode creds to connect to my database because, well, it's easy. As soon as I try to save this file, I can see the plugin has alerted me to the fact that I've hard-coded a secret and provides details about the secret type and severity of the risk. I also see a note that tells me to index Vault so the plugin can check to see if the secret is also stored in my Vault cluster. Once I've indexed Vault, the results show me my namespace and mounts that were scanned and information about secrets that are inventoried. Now, when I go back and hover over my secret, I see that this secret was not found in Vault. I also see a light bulb next to my secret that expands and gives me quick fix options. In this case, I can copy the secret into Vault, ignore the secret, or show remediation instructions so I can get guided steps to resolve this issue. The remediation steps likely include instructions to get the secret stored in Vault, then update the code to point to Vault to grab the securely stored secret instead. So I'll go ahead and copy the secret to Vault to show you how easy it is to perform this action from here. First, I'll select the KV mount where I want the secret to go, then create a secret path, and then create a key value for the secret and hit enter to start the process. And here I see the message that my secret was successfully copied over, so let's jump into Vault to check things out. Here I can see the KV mount that I targeted, my secret path, and finally the secret I copied over. So as you can see, this new VSCode plugin provides a streamlined workflow that prevents costly remediation cycles later in production, shortens exposure windows, and strengthens security posture without sacrificing developer velocity.